Habaydi baka Lineage Act araja kapra jangka KHADC kalawana shibun ke jingatai halor ke jingdu no ki kentai kasi lada ki yolok ya ki barjela ni ki bamdai kasi karai halor ke ni bil kalong ke bakar ki bat menta kalapoi hakikti jong ulat ke jela u gangga prasan hatu kala shishamu bante lakam ya ke jingwan rung kertep nishim kebu ki barjela.
We only added one more subsection, that is section 3D, binding that the Khasi women who marry a non-Khasi shall lose Khasi status and all the benefits from there.
We welcome the third amendment of the District Council regarding with the Khasi custom legislation built by this present EC of in the leadership of SSLA. Because we have seen that, we have witnessed several of times regarding with this bill, the threat of the Khasi society and the ethnic identity of the Khasi people. That the non-tribal capture the political, capture the social, and also capture the business also. And through the business, this non-tribal, they take that the Khasi ladies as the shelter to do for the business in the essential law. From the KSU, we welcome. We hope that the bill passed by the District Council will be help very much to the Khasi people and to strengthen the customary law for the ethnic identity of the Khasi.
Bon na kalyang ki kentai kilapan pau ya ke jingsha yuroi halor ke ni bil ke batmai. Ke jingle kerki ban pas ya ke ni bil klem no kenjok tin lem ya ki kor ki jan kinong song snong kalawana shibun ki jingkylli.
Actually, I was also quite surprised by that bill. But from what I can understand is that I don't know whether they sought opinion of the various himas. There are 54 hima and ilaka. So, and there are more than 3,000 clans, Khasi clans, Khasi Panar clans. So, if you know the concept of the concept of district council also was first united Khasi and Jaintia, because it was one people. So Reverend Nicholas Roy, when he moved for the concept of sixth schedule also, was to unite the people. Now amendment has come into that Khasi Lineage Act. An amendment has been moved, wherein it is they are proposing to, they have already passed the proposal to bar Khasi women who marry a non-Khasi. All right. So in this context, I feel that there is. I think the district council must have done this in with other considerations in the background. We know there was just a toppling recently, and then they are probably looking for stability of the council. So I would have expected them to have had a wider consultation all over the place, sought opinion, and then took a decision after having carefully thought of all the issues involved. One is, as of today, in effect what is happening is that the bill, while allowing Khasi men and their offsprings to enjoy the rights and benefits of Khasi, contradicting that, they have brought the women, Khasi women, those who get into intermarriage to enjoy the benefits of being a Khasi. So I don't know if such contradictions will stand before the court of law. So this is the things that district council, and the legal councils should have taken a careful view of this. Number two is, all legislation should have a positive effect. No legislation should have, normally most legislation, protective in nature also, would have a positive impact. The question is, from what I see, is that it looks like there's a lot of sense of insecurity. So the question is this the only protection mechanism Because if you look at the legislation of the District Council, be it the trading license, there's been so much lacuna there. Be it the labor license, every day you find the NGOs, identifying laborers who have no proper documents. So there were many other issues which could have been addressed, but I don't know, for some reason this move came up, and it's in on the other hand, they are the elected representatives. People voted them. They are in the district council. It is their mandate to bring legislation, but we would have thought they would have had consultation with all the himas, the ilakas, prior to taking all such a far-reaching decision. It's for this reason that I have also said that we should have. I imagine that they have some census. When you take such a decision, it is based on some census. So I would request the media also to kindly ask the district council to share the details of that data and the census which has initiated them to come with such a move. You see, when the banks shut down, it is because the data shows that they have too much of non-performing assets, NPS. Why they have gone into this Government of India is trying to go into this cashless society is to get the benefits to the poorest people, to the right beneficiary. So today, to eliminate all the ghost, you remember the ghost ration cards. So similarly here, if you are apprehensive that there's so much of intermarriage going on, which is something like a kind of a influx, if a situation is so grave, then I would really want district council to share HIMA-wise, what is the census? Does the district council or the Jaintia Hills district council or the Garh Hills district council, do we have a census of the tribal community there? Also has a census study every 10 years to know the population and increase and decrease of population, be it for constituencies, be it for economic studies. So here also we've been telling what the district council should have done is brought, finish what they have not yet finished, which is they had already passed a clan bill few years ago. It's lying in the shelves. They had sent it to the DCA, and then I understand the DCA sent back because there were a lot of typographical errors. And till date, I am learned from the DCA that bill has not gone back. So if the district council was so concerned about the grave situation of this, they should have also initiated that clan bill immediately. Because we are a clan-based society. Now the CEM is saying that yes, we should have addressed that Tangjak issue also. So which meant, which itself is a confession, admission that, okay, we did it in a hurry. What I'm saying is, on one side, the men are allowed, for whatever reason. Some would have said that was an expansionist concept. And on the other hand, they are admitting that, okay, the women should not. So there are two contradicting poles in the same bill.
Because the mixed marriage between Khasi men and with other people very less, very few, negligible. But if that also is necessary, there is no harm, we can do that. But as far as the figure is there, the mixed marriage between Khasi men and non-Khasi women is very few. And it is a practice right from the time immemorial, but not with the Khasi women. The Khasi women in those days, they never marry an outsider.
So I think what this council needs is to really get proper councils, legal councils, to advise them on how to move on such a matter, without having, say for example, many of the clans were inter-clan related in Jaintia Hills. So that offspring in Khasi Hills would be barred, while that same clan relative offspring would be entitled in Jaintia Hills. How does that make sense? What I'm saying is, all these issues should have been addressed prior to bringing that bill, that resolution into the House. I felt, they could have sent it to a select committee. Yes, it has to be addressed. You send it to a select committee, not pass it right away. I would have expected the EC to constitute a select committee, a kind of a committee, to deliberate and, get people who can contribute to that idea, yeah, we all want to protect our own identity. But was this the approach proper to it? It should have been a more thought of approach where you address the other issues there and then come in a consolidated.
I think being on my path, what the councils, the KHADC councils has to do with the bill, I think it is very disappointed amongst the women, especially this is the personal rights of a person, and this right cannot be decided by the councils, and it has to be give a discussions, to give a debate, so for the societies and for the women as a whole, whether they are willing that this bill should be passed or not. I'm very disappointed, and let's the society at large to decide with this bill.
Kinong mi khmat bikin le thombor rei bikin shim lang ya kamon jong pajba dei bandawan ra banya tai banya kanu ru hakanu no bil ngal aju pek su wut bat wan ra da jing tu tu ka bam ju dei kren la da ka bhana ka snio ka de bandan ka jing tai rei hang ni phila yu hi bla sulong no direct tang ikin thai ka kan thai ka di ka daw jong ka ta kam long kum ta ka along no ha ta ru kom em rei balik ngim la banyak da kawai galenti ngi long concern bangi saya khun ni kat ni ke jing bam sap ngi long concern bala su iki ai ke rung kat nu ngi la file ki ba su wan rung tu ya ka jat jong kiru te ngi long concern handai menta bikin su sedang ban penuan ra ka bil klem da re tai nu ban ong baki e jat ben riu kat nu ki e jan ben riu ngaku aktif ya kata ka jingkylli ngabu ya ki e jat ben riu saya ka land transfer act ki don copy ne hapo KHDC ngaku akin say but ikituki amendment ki don ne am kitip ne am bakatukal amendment de balak tempo ngaku aktif ikita ki atu singa don have tipo bar association ki lawyer hi ki ba keren bakin challenge ki lawyer hi ki ba keren tu ki ba ongin tho shaki shi governor but you can challenge because da ki lawyer ki la su thu bakalong unconstitutional tingi libuya smo tu bat ke jing ut ki brio ki phone ni am ki ong bia concern bakum kani ka bil kami tengah ngahap pej am hab ki brio ki ong ngir ni hap pej ban wan ni ka ba long kam de bandan any gender bias kan tu ang ni la pen jano ye ki klan ru ye ki kur mentashu men dan i bahayang ngiru la phone yu tu parangai la ong ba manu ban pendap yang ala sai tengah yu mola kalau along no pilak tak syadu piap debate very deep namar menta when my birthright ketika ka ngat lak khai nga hak tu kesnam menta suddenly pinchupin mi ka an ban pen kalah ya ka dustur kam shimde ka dustur basniyo ketika dustur babaha ka ba her pateng naki kenthai ka jaj menta kini wat kishin rang ru kisungsi baki le sendet kom ni ndai tangi kan thai wat kishin rang ki sosi bat ngim kwa banya pra kajat ben rio ndai kani pe kala pen pra kat ni tang baklem ban shim lang ya ka jingkren jugi beiru pidai ban chania ban keren lada kam sei so ru ndai hang ni la su thu ba ki dai ki kwa pen pendam ya ka ai jat kan thai gam men toy ban shia kawang ya ka ek namar ba ka don ka an kabanyada yang ni bat ngin pej baka an kan te lakam banum don kum kini jing pensit bat manu ba pensit ni hap pawa di ya kala pen i ba kan ga video jungi ka su pej tang kar kom kren tu lada fi ong kitu kidi khasi da kasi kasang ngatrai ngasusi phi mangan ong adi khasi lada ka dei kum ka tu ni de ben long kibayasha ya keren kanu ka bapim stuna kanu ushenrang udon kanu no problem ni kloi banya ngap lang banya wanra ka jing ba om ban ong ba dakum tu dengan ong ngar anum kwa ban long but findalek shaka kadon ka wi ka website pin sei hang tu kat nu kil arus pa kinong mikmat kirus pa kinong mikmat kiba kipaj ba kiduk te henrei pin keno ya ka kan thai ti kabam la long hot ka don kata ka nong sim kabu gidon te hakin thai ni senrang ne ha u khlajatnya ha u khasi ne kidon wat yu bosnio handai om ban wat ban penjot ya kajat benriu ke badang persang ban klan ya ladi